Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday asserted that the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code or the UCC is neither practical nor suitable for India, considering the country's rich cultural and tribal diversity. He clarified that UCC as a general concept and as a specific bill or act should not be conflated.
A uniform civil code as a concept of making sure that everything becomes uniform is not possible in India, because again there are tribal communities, there are different kind of communities, indigenous communities who have their practices, and it may not align with the government, with the other communities and the uniformity that maybe some people would want. So therefore, that concept to impose it on every aspect of life and every community and everything uniform may not be possible.
Meanwhile,